Hello, I'm Don Cave, the President of the Capital Area Association of Realtors. I'm pleased to share with you the latest news and residential market activity report from the association. Before I dive into the details of our local housing market, I want to share some exciting news. Realtors do more than just sell homes. Each year, CAR identifies one local charity as the primary benefactor of CAR's charitable fundraising efforts. This year, that charity is Contact Ministries, and its mission is critical to daily serve the greater Springfield community by providing food, shelter, clothing, financial assistance, referrals, and life skills education and training. On May 2nd, CAR hosted a very successful trivia night fundraiser, Pirates of the Caribbean, to benefit Contact Ministries. Not only were 200 attendees treated to a fun evening, we managed to raise in excess of $10,000. Special thanks to CAR's Community Service Committee, countless volunteers, attendees, and generous donors who all contributed to making this a successful event. Now let's take a look at some key indicators as we focus on April home sales activity. You may recall earlier in the year, marveled by somewhat of the resilience of the median home sale price in the face of the mounting foreclosure sales. Beginning in March, the impact of these distressed property sales on the overall median sales price came home to roost. And this trend continued in April. As a result of these foreclosure sales, the April median price of $105,300 reflects a decrease of 4.3% over the April 2012 price. Year-to-date through April, the median sales price was $104,900, reflecting a decrease of 6.3% from the $112,000 priced during the same period last year. Foreclosure sales, which have a downward effect on the median price, made up 14.7% of all home sales in April. The 43 foreclosure sales in April were down significantly from the 68 sales year-to-date through April of this year, but up slightly from the 30 foreclosure sales during the prior April. Although the second straight monthly decrease in the median home sale price is something to watch, it is not a major concern. The effect of foreclosure sales on the home sale price is still being felt as distressed sales continue to influence overall sale prices. This is where the headlines can be somewhat misleading. If you factor out foreclosure sales, the April 2013 median sale price is unchanged at $115,000, while the year-to-date through April non-distressed property median home sales price increased 3.7% to $125,000. In April, 292 homes were sold in the capital area, reflecting a 6.1% decrease from the 311 sales at the same time in 2012. Year-to-date through April home sales totaled 982, reflecting a 5.3% decrease from the 933 sales during the same period last year. Sale pendings in April 2013 amounted to 471, reflecting a 4% increase over the 453 sale pendings during the same time in 2012. Total housing inventory at the end of April increased to 1,652 listings, up from the 1,636 listings at the same time in 2012, and representing a 5.8-month supply at the current sales pace. We need a housing supply of over 6 months to have a generally balanced market between home buyers and home sellers, but based on the current buyer activity and listing trends, it is unlikely we'll get that anytime soon. The average days on the market for all homes was 112 in April, down from 108 days in March and unchanged from April 2012. I would caution buyers not to take a decline in the overall median sales price as a signal that they should necessarily be making lowball offers. Depending on the price range, location, a buyer could very well find themselves in a multiple offer situation. As a result, I would urge buyers to move quickly and follow their realtor's advice for contingencies when making contract offers. For the Capital Area Association of Realtors, I'm Don Cave. And oh, by the way, when you have any questions about the Capital Area real estate, be sure to contact a local realtor or visit us online at www.chouses.com.